Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to solve trigonometric MCQ, easy ones like this, difficult one like this, and we will use Pythagorean triple. These are the numbers which form a right angle triangle, and we'll also use trigonometric ratio definition. We'll solve 5 questions in this video. These questions have come from SSLC exam papers and CBSE 10th standard paper. First question. If sine theta is x divided by y, then the value of cos theta. So this is 2021 model paper question. To solve this, we will use the definition of sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then we will draw a triangle ABC. So what kind of a triangle? It's a right angle triangle, right angled at B. Let's call ACB as theta. So let's call ACB as theta. Then we can say that hypotenuse is y. Why? Because sine x is given as x divided by y, which means x can be the opposite side and y can be the hypotenuse. So sine x is x divided by y. And we don't know the value of BC, so we find it using Pythagoras theorem, and we can show that it's the square root of y squared minus x squared. Okay, so we basically draw this table. Hypotenuse is y, side opposite to theta is x, and side adjacent is square root of y squared minus x squared. And then use the definition of cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, and find the value, which is square root of y squared minus x squared divided by y. So the answer is D. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರೋ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ. What happens if the value is given? In this case, they have given a value 5 divided by 13. Sin theta is 5 divided by 13, and find the value of tan theta. So each other question in a solve model. How do you solve this kind of questions? To solve these kind of questions, you will need to use the definition of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So in this right angle triangle, I have colored opposite side is green, hypotenuse is red, and adjacent side is blue. And we can see the definition. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant theta is inverse of that, hypotenuse by opposite. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, and cot theta is adjacent by opposite. We'll also use something called Pythagorean triple. What is Pythagorean triple? Pythagorean triple are 3 numbers ABC such that a square plus b square equals c square. These are the very, very common Pythagorean triple. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 5, 17, and 7, 24, 25. It is advisable to remember this. Idanna maggodiyodu uttama. Why do we care about these numbers? Because they form sides of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle side in a form agate. So for example, in this case, 3, 4, 5, right angle triangle. Here it is 5, 12, 13, right angle triangle. Here it is 8, 15, 17, right angle triangle. And then there is 7, 24, 25. These are not to scale. Idu shape value ge takkante illa. This is only for illustration purposes. Okay. We will use this to solve the kind of problems that we saw earlier. Idanna Indian problem ana solve madake use marteve. Let's look at the problem again. Sin theta is given as 5 by 13. So again, definition of sin theta and tan theta. Let's draw the triangle. Okay. So if the known sides 5 and 13, so opposite side is 5 because sin theta is 5 by 13. Hypotenuse is 13. The side that we don't know is 12. Okay, either you can use Pythagoras theorem like this and find out, or remember 5, 12, 13 is a triple. 5, 12, 13 Pythagorean triple ಆದ್ರಿಂದ 5, 13 ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಅಂತ ಚಕ್ಕನ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So you form a table like this. Hypotenuse is 13, opposite side is 5, adjacent side is 12. Now what are we supposed to find? We're supposed to find tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Definition. Opposite side is 5, adjacent side is 12. Answer is 5 divided by 12. This is C. Let's practice a couple more questions. So this is 7 secant theta is 25, value of cot theta. So they can ask you secant theta, they can ask you cot theta. Secant theta, cot theta no kelbodu. Secant theta definition, hinde nodadange definition. Draw the diagram. What is secant theta? Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. And the value is 25 by 7, which means hypotenuse is 25, adjacent side is 7. So that is 7. And we have to find the missing side. Missing side henge, either remember Pythagorean triple or you solve it using this equation. Okay, so now we have all three sides. We have to find cot theta. Cot theta, adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is 7. Opposite side is 24. Answer is 724. Okay. So equation solve ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Secant theta definition use ಮಾಡಿ triangle ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Missing side ಅನ್ನು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Missing side ಅನ್ನು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ cot theta definition use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು cot theta ಬರ್ದ್ವಿ. This is very kind of common questions. I suggest you practice this method. Next, this question was created by my students just to show that you can create your own question. Again, we have to remember what is cosecant theta and tan theta. Using the value provided, 7 by 24, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 7, adjacent is 24, missing side hypotenuse, which is 25. Remember, 7, 24, 25 is a Pythagorean triple. So we don't have to calculate this. If you remember that 7, 24 are Pythagorean triple, then you can quickly write 25. Once you find this, then what? Cosecant theta definition, hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? 25. What is opposite side? 7. 25 by 7 is the answer. Answer is C. Now, what if it's a difficult question? Either a difficult question idre ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? It looks complicated, but we can use the same method. In this case, we need definition of sine, tan, and cos theta. So we know tan theta is 4 divided by 3. Let us use that. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 4, adjacent is 3. Find the missing side, hypotenuse. 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. So 5 is the missing side. Now what we have to find? We have to evaluate the expression. So first let's find sine theta. Sine theta, opposite by hypotenuse, 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, 3 divided by 5. Then we have to evaluate this expression. ಈ expression evaluate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 5, because sine theta is 4 divided by 5, plus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. So 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. Denominator, everything same except minus. 3 times 4, 12. 2 times 3, 6. 12 plus 6, 18. This is 18 divided by 5. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 divided by 5. 5 gets cancelled. 18 by 6, 3. Answer is 3. So as you see, you can even do difficult questions like this using the same method. So the method is, if one ratio is given, use the definition of that ratio, draw the right angle triangle, find the missing side, then either evaluate an expression or find the other ratio. Okay. Hopefully you found this useful. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.